Candy. How should the Candy Goat song go? That is the face that Connor makes when he's eating too much candy. That's the face that Connor makes when he's eating too much candy. Candy. Candy.
You eat too much candy. You feel like you ate the bear. Without cooking it.
What's your favorite type of candy? Mine is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. What's your favorite type of candy? What?
I like the Kit Kat things.
Oh, Kit Kats are good, Kit Kats are tasty. I like Kit Kats in my mouth. Kit Kats are good and Kit Kats are tasty. I like Kit Kats in my mouth.
Woo!
Do you like sweet and sour fruit flavored candy?
Some candy come on the stick. Some comes in a wrapper, and some comes in a paper, I guess.
Paper. Candy, candy dandy, especially when it's in my mouth. I love candy, yes I do. I love candy with me and you. I love candy with me and you. I love candy with me and you. I love candy with me and you.
Don't eat too much. Especially don't give it to your cat or dog. You know.
Why not?
Because it will make them sick, silly.
That's true, especially chocolate for dogs.
Yes. One time I got a headache. I mean a bellyache from eating too much candy. But it won't matter on Halloween because it's a day you can't get sick.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you hear that?
It happens to me.
That you just can't get sick on Halloween?
Yeah.
That's good.
Actually, I can't get sick. Tummy ache anymore. I can't get it.
Don't test that theory. Oh, Halloween's coming soon.
Yeah.
Our next song should be about Halloween.
Yeah.